So you're on a vacation or a business trip and you're in a hotel and, well, there's nothing on TV to watch, but you've got your INAIR Pod. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you in some hotels, not all, how you can take this and hook it up to the TV and bring your spatial entertainment with you. So let's go. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to see if you can access the HDMI ports on the hotel television. Now, not every hotel has accessible ports. Some of them have a box that they do a TV entertainment system through. It really depends on how tech savvy you are and how much into the back of their TV you want to get, but it's usually doable. Okay, so let's go ahead and show you how to get this connected. Now, there's a couple of different ways you can do it. So depending on the TV and the situation, sometimes you can just hit this little button right here and have it search for wireless connections. So I know on my home TV, I have that capability on my Samsungs where I can just connect this wirelessly. I can connect it wirelessly to my projector, but hotel TVs, it's kind of hit or miss. So what I recommend doing is grabbing one of these right here. I mentioned this in the projector video, but this is a USB-C to HDMI cable. I'm using the J-Create cable that I got at Best Buy, and it works really good. One thing that you're going to want to do is you just hook it up here like that. You'll find an open HDMI port on the back of the hotel TV, like so. Once you have that, we'll just get it in here. There we go. Okay, and then once we've got it connected, you'll see it says connected. And then just find your input button on the remote. We'll switch it over here to HDMI. And there you have it. So now we have our INAIR Pod on the hotel TV. And of course, that's going to give me access to my web browser, my email, my Netflix. I mean, in my case here, get on the hotel Wi-Fi. I should be able to connect back with my INAIR space. I mean, turning this into a large monitor for productivity, for entertainment. I've got my INAIR touch board here. So, I mean, very, very cool that you actually have the capability to do that with your pod. So this thing is just becoming more and more versatile every day. You know, with every update, I'm just finding new things that it can do. I just cannot recommend this enough. I'm going to shortly be doing a comparison between the INAIR Pod, the VITURE Pro neckband, and the XREAL Beam Pro. So let me know if that's something that you want to see in the comments. But for me today, that is going to do it. This was just kind of a short demonstration to show you that this is possible. But next time you're on vacation or a business trip, grab an INAIR Pod and bring it with you. Your entertainment comes with you. Your productivity comes with you. Your sanity comes with you. All right. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. This is Don, signing off.